murder, think Marcus Munitions. Tell your friends, Marcus Munitions. See you real soon, I'm sure.
Don't worry. If Jack really wanted to protect the vault key, it wouldn't be on a train. He'd have Wilhelm guarding it. Oh dear.
It's a trap! The vault key's not on the train. Abort the mission, soldier. I'm sorry, but you can't handle Wilhelm. Trust me.
Kid, Wilhelm really killed us all.
You killed Wilhelm? Holy hell. Jack doesn't stand a chance.
Wilhelm dropped a power core. Be sure to grab it. My sensors tell me it's... one of a kind. If you bring it to Roland, Sanctuary's shields may never...
Whoa. Never seen a power core like that. The one you got from Reese is nearly burned out. Why don't you bring it back here? We may not have found the vault key, but at least Sanctuary will be safe a little longer, thanks to you. Wow! Bravo! Champagne! Cheers! High five! So clap! You got the damn power core, didn't ya? You've been warned. The kid gloves are coming off. Tighten up the big boy pants because things...
Wilhelm nearly defeated the other Vault Hunters a couple of years ago. You have proven yourself to be even stronger than them.
Why you bought
Well
some
done.
yet?
Favorite person, best friend. He sent me fantastic bandit gun for only 3 LQ.
Thanks for the iridium, chump. Maybe that helps you kill stuff better. This never happened. Anybody ask? And stay on.
Let's just get this out of the way. Yes, most of my merchandise was ripped from the hands of dead adventurers. Farewell, friend. I'll always buy guns you don't need.
You will help me and I will pay you. It is as simple as that.
What are we waiting for? Let's go after Jack.
Want to break some stuff?
We're gonna be fine.
A new power core? Whoa, that looks like it could keep our shields up for months. Years, even. As much as I hate using Hyperion tech, that core you brought us earlier is nearly burnt up. Why don't you pop it out? Okay, I think we're in business.
What the hell? Hey, you know, I think it's finally time to tell you that little secret. Angel's working for me.
Lowering Sanctuary's shields, Jack. Executing phase shift.
That's not a power core! Raiders, the shields are down! The shields! Nicely done, Angel. Now, let's kill ourselves some Vault Hunters. What the hell? Did something just get through the shield? Shields down, Roland!
Oh man! Okay,
Everybody, I've got a really bad idea. Scooter, get Sanctuary in the air. Roland, get me some Iridium.
pretty sure you can't do that without killing, I don't know, everyone in the city. It ain't ready to fly, Lily.
You got your orders, Scooter! Move!
All right, I got this one. Meet me in the center of town now. I'm gonna need your help real bad. All right, we're primed. Everybody, get ready.
Buy a gun already. Here soon.
Pinned, soldier! I can't get the Iridium to Lilith. Get to me, quick!
I need that Iridium. Get moving or we're dead.
You only survived our train ride together because I wanted you to.
You've got the Iridium? I need it. Get to the center of town.
I've never used this much. You might want to hang on to something.
Sorry, kid. That was an accident. I'll see you on the other side, though, I promise. Hit it, Scooter.
Man, this is one of them moments. Catch a ride!
I know you're angry at me right now, but we don't have a lot of time. I'll explain everything. Just get to the fridge. It's the only way to reach the Highlands. I detect Lilith might have phased your city there.
I love the way you Vault Hunters just up and trusted Angel. Never occurred to you that she was working for me, did it? I did the same thing to the last 4 Vault Hunters, but I'll be entirely honest. Tricking you guys this time? Way funnier. Hey, thanks for taking the bait and grabbing that power core. It was hard to concentrate on charging the vault key what with Roland's buddies attacking my iridium mines.
You'll be able to reconnect with your friends after you get through the fridge.
Fear my skills.
I'm not done.
We are not friends anymore, are we? Son of a... The door's iced over. Let me help you with that.